So welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will be show you the next video about the virtual assistant. Virtual assistant, what is mean by virtual assistant? Virtual assistant, that person there is a highly experienced about the any e-commerce platform like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and any type of uh, website which belongs to the e-commerce categories. This person virtual assistant is handle the any person which have the accounts with a lot of money, but he cannot handle the customers requirements, customers views, customer any type of customers need. He cannot focus on the customer, but he can hire a virtual assistant which can a lot of experience about the customers dealing, accounts handling, and product hunting, so much more which are related to the accounts. So then in this video I will be show you the virtual assistant, all the best uh, top strategies of the virtual assistant, and virtual assistant what is the main job of virtual assistant in this video. Okay, so let's we find out on go to the screen, and we are go to the screen and I will be show you the best virtual assistant website. uh, Best virtual assistant website. So virtual assistant website to hire Uploy. So try the virtual assistant time tracker. Well. And this is the top 10 virtual assistant time ethic and Bishop. And this is the website. I will show you the website. There is a lot of virtual assistant of the different countries, belong to the different countries. So the third website Osisto and VS Suffer well as I think this is the best website virtual about according to virtual assistant. VS Stuffer, and this is sign up, ghost based operations, Santa stakes, gain free time. Well, fancy hands, good. This is the ritual. Do work that matters. Take more bricks. Belay, Nicholas, and this is the 24/7 virtual assistant. Work lifetime direction virtual assistant who can help you get the work done, enjoy more, and find the lost. Well, this is a very good website. Oh, this is the pricing are also mentioned here. Entrepreneur 200 for monthly assistance our month, and this professional why around the monthly membership assistance of oh well, this is a lot of work. By the hour, $50 per hour. VIP this is the for monthly membership assistant 160 hours. Well, this is a lot of money. This is the website. I think this is the good website, a proper genuine website about the virtual assistant hiring. This is the price and different service provider. VBA virtual required a consultation. And this Burbo high deduction virtual professional sign up and start a very next day. Plans and pricing. Light virtual assistant. May view virtual employee, high deduction virtual employees, and this is the people per hour. This is also the website like freelancing and other freelancing company like Upwork, freelancers, and this is the third I think Fiverr. So I think in this video I will be properly guide you about the total virtual assistant website. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to press bell icon to notify about my new video. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.